Good morning, Elizabeth. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. It's a brand new month. Happy November, by the way. A cool start, a very quiet start to this month. I think we're going to find temperatures this afternoon. They climb into the mid-70s in the warm spots, right where they ought to be this time of the year. And I think overnight tonight into tomorrow back near 50 or more into the upper 40s. So we're going to keep things on the cooler side of normal, but slowly warm things up a little bit by the middle of the week. I see more energy way out across the middle of the country. That's where it's going to stay for a couple of days. So we keep it pretty quiet here, I think, for the first 2 or 3 days this week. It's 45 right now in Valdosta. It's 46 in Thomasville and in Tallahassee. Not breezy out there. Most of the numbers between 45 and 50. So a little bit on the cooler than normal, like 52 would be normal this time of the day, this time of the year. That breeze today, if we do have one, and it's not going to be anywhere near as noticeable as it was this past weekend, will be mainly from the north. I don't see a lot of visibility concerns. I don't expect very many visibility concerns. The next couple of days with the quiet weather pattern in place, there'll be a little disturbance passing by in the upper part of the atmosphere. That brings us a couple of clouds, so it's not going to be straight up blue in the sky, but I think we'll have decent amounts of sunshine to go with some of those clouds all the while. Very comfortable conditions, maybe just a smidge on the cooler than normal in the evenings and overnights, but pretty pleasant in the afternoons. You know, we're talking about a subtropical storm out there. There's still a full month left in the Atlantic hurricane season, and we'll keep our eyes on Wanda, but it's not going to do much. It's going to stay over the open waters of the Atlantic. No threats to the United States or really any land areas. On the Gulf close to home, the winds out of the north and northeast 8 to 16, so a little breezy, and seas 1 to 3 feet. We are doing the low tides now. They'll wrap it up around 8:30 this morning. 40s and 50s called bright and cool. Now listen, the sunrise just before 8 o'clock this morning. All week long, we're going to see those sunrise times stay up near 8 o'clock. But 1 week from yesterday, on November 7th, 6 days from now, that's when we turn those clocks back. That hour, we get that extra hour's sleep this weekend. And then we'll see the sun coming up before 7 a.m. starting this time next week. Mid-70s, mostly sunny and seasonable. A pretty nice afternoon on tap. I think tonight's still a pretty clear and pretty comfortable night, though a little on the chilly side with those upper 40s and low 50s. And here comes that forecast for the next several days. We'll start to perk up those daytime highs a little bit. I think we could see some numbers that get closer to 80 today, tomorrow, and Wednesday until that next boundary gets here and the next shot of cool air gets here. If we're going to see some rain, Thursday, Friday would be the chance. And then we could see even cooler temperatures next weekend.